show you how to play That's Why You Go Away by Michael Learns to Rock. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction because it sets up some of the harmony and some of the melody there. So we start off with a D. We're in the key of G. We start off on a D, D, and then an open fourth, D and G. Third, D and F sharp, C and E. A third, then D, C, D, F sharp, G, B. The left hand we're going to have a C chord, broken up C, E and G to a D, F sharp and A to a G, B and D, G, B and D. And then we'll end with a, and then we're right into the verse. So here we go. That's the introduction, and we'll put the hands together. Hit this twice, and then on that second time you hit G, D, B, arpeggiate it down. So let's get the melody now. C, 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 E, F sharp, G, A, B, 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 D, G. We throw that in again. It's a little fill, then A, 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 E, F sharp, B, B. C, 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 E, B, A, 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 G, B, D, E, F sharp, E, D, G, F sharp, G. And then we have the verse. We play they sing the verse one more time, but now we got to just put the left hand with it. A minor. So we got an A minor, A, C, E, D, C, G, B, D, G, B, D, A minor, C, E, B, D sharp, E. Then we go down to the E, G, because we're coming down with the melody. We got to get it out of the way. Then we bring it back up. E, F sharp, G, G, A, B, and then we do it again. This time we'll add the seventh for that A minor. C, E, G, D, F sharp, D, G, B and D. So F sharp, D, G, B and D, A, D, G, G, B and D. And I do that differently sometimes. Sometimes I'll go up to the D and just play it unison right there, but here I go down to the A and the D, because in the left hand you'll have, in the right hand you'll have a D octave right there, because I'm bringing that down into that same vocal range that you're accustomed to hearing the singer there. There and stop there. Let me show you the rhythm. So I've got that set on a 66 beats per minute setting on a mellow 8 beat rhythm. So if you set it at 66, you'll be right on their tempo right there, and then you can play it all the way through. The only time I take it off right near the end so that I can free it up the speed a little bit and let it slow down in some spots there. But right off the bat, if you just start it off, you start. It starts right there with it. So we go into the intro. Have to lift off of that. Hit the C and E and then lift off it so your right hand can come down and play that E. Do it again. Now here the hands are very is in the melody, and then you got to lift off of that B because you're coming down with your thumb to play that B. And we go back to. Now the first time we're playing da 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 dee dee da 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 dee. See, you've got some rhythmic variety there. It starts with dee 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 da da dee 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 da dee 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 da dee da. Now here you're going to have da 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 dee dee da 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 dee da da dee. Once you get one rhythm going, usually the next phrase will imitate it. So the second verse we have. Don't add the, just play the chord. There's that B again. Got the seventh chord there in the left hand, and then we're going to add a harmony, just the way they do in the album there, or in the recording. So just make it E and G, and then D and F sharp. Then we got to. So you got A, D, C, B, G. Then we're back to. And hit the whole chord there, and that sets up the chorus for. So here you're going to have B and D, D and G. And I don't think I showed you those chorus notes. I'll show you the melody notes all the way through. You got. C, 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 E, F sharp, G, A, B, 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 D, G, A, E, F sharp, B, B, C, 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 E, D, A, G, B, D, E, F sharp, B, D, G, F sharp, G. And then they do it again on the second verse, but they change the rhythm just slightly in a couple of places. They change that note to a G right there. There they change the note, so they change it to a harmony right. Then they change it to up to a D right here, and then they bring a couple of grace notes. D, C, B, A, G. And then for the chorus, we've got dual notes there: B and D, D and G, D and F sharp, C and E, D, C, D, A, G, G. A, B, C, A, G, B, A, G. Then we double it. A, G, 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 A, B, E, D, B, A, G. So we're at the chorus with the double harmony notes. So let me show you what we're doing right there. We've got in the left hand C with the E and G, D with the F sharp and A, G with the B and D, then A with the C, E, G, D, G. down to an A, to a D, and the melody is going. So the melody goes there, but I let the left hand carry it. Goes the left hand. And then we go right on into the second verse. So we've got through the chorus, the first verse. Now the second verse is very similar. But you wait for that G. Chorus. So the second verse ends just like that ending of the chorus did. I'll put the play that D with your left hand. I'll play the drums so you can hear it with the drums through this chorus. For the bridge section, we modulate into B flat, and it does it by just going down G, F, E flat. Starts off with an E flat, so it goes E flat, F, B flat, but we walk it down. Right hand, you're going to have the G's, then C, D, C, C, B flat, G, and then we go back up to F, G, 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 F, F, E flat, F, D, 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 C, 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 B flat, A, D, C, 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 B flat, B flat, B flat, A, G, C, B flat, it's a little bit rhythmically tricky to put it together with your hands, but if you play it a little bit, it'll come to you. The left hand F, B flat, and then we have a full A7, A, C, E flat, G, and then we go to a D, F sharp A, to a G, and then walk it up, G, A, B, G, A, B flat, B flat, C, D, then back to the E flat, F, B flat, back to that A diminished with a G on top. Then G minor, G, B, D, F, E flat, E natural. So we're walking, we're getting right back into our original key right there. We're going G minor to the F, E, C, F. And after that bridge, we're going straight into a guitar bridge that'll come in. And the guitar comes in. So we'll get to that in a second. So we walk into that. It's good to hold back, they hold that vocal back. They hold that back and then they hit two B flats after. that's where it's tricky. Da 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 dee da 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 dee da da. And then the guitar saves you dee da da up to this A. And we've got parallel tenths there. E and C, D and F sharp. So let me give you the guitar part there. A, B, E, F sharp, G, A, C, B, E, D, C, B, A, E, B, B, A, B. And then I keep it in that realm. I kick the drums off and so I don't play the chorus down here, but I keep it up there in the octaves because it makes it brighter. So in the left hand for that guitar, you have C, D, G, B and D, A, C, G, A minor 7, D, F sharp and A, G, B and D, and then we've got the tag right there. So we got that's when I kick the drums off. So I'm going to put the drums on and play it from the end of the chorus into the bridge, and then into the guitar bridge, and then into the tag so that you can see me take the drums off right there. That's where I take them off, right going into the tag, and I just stay up here. Here we go. So all we do on the tag is we play through the verse and then we repeat that last little line and I bring it back down. So I'm up in this. We do it again. And I put the D chord with the D, and then I drop down to the B right here. And we just drop it down to that G chord again. There you have it. That's Why You Go Away by Michael Learns to Rock. Hope you enjoy playing it.